AI Forex robot that prints money while you sleep? Forex Fury review. They told us money never sleeps. But what if a robot could actually prove it? Imagine a piece of code running quietly on your laptop while you're out with friends, or even fast asleep, making trades on the global Forex market, minute by minute, dollar by dollar. That's exactly what AI robots like Forex Fury promise. A way to earn without lifting a finger. Take John, a college student who claimed he turned $300 into $1,200 in just 3 weeks. Not by grinding charts all night, but by letting this algorithm do the work for him. Or Sarah, a single mom who said she used Forex Fury to cover her monthly rent, watching small wins stack up day after day while she was busy at her full-time job. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the flip side. Mark, a trader from London, shared screenshots of losing 40% of his account in one bad week when the market spiked against the robot's prediction. And he's not alone. Many forums are full of both miracle stories and disaster tales. So what's the truth? Is this just another hype tool that preys on our desire for easy money? Or are we really looking at the start of an AI revolution in Forex trading, where machines outperform humans, and where those who adopt early could gain an edge that others will only dream about? Today we're going deep. We'll break down how Forex Fury really works, what the numbers say, and whether this AI can truly change the way you think about money forever. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know if this robot belongs in your trading arsenal, or if it's just another illusion in the world's most dangerous financial game. The idea of letting artificial intelligence trade for you isn't new, but what makes Forex Fury stand out is how it's marketed. Plug it in, press start, and watch the profits roll in. It sounds like something out of a science fiction novel, but is there real substance behind the hype? First, let's talk about how it actually works. Forex Fury uses preset trading strategies coded into its system, combined with machine learning adjustments. It scans currency pairs like EUR, USD, GBP, USD, and USD, JPY, looking for patterns that match profitable setups. The robot doesn't sleep, doesn't get emotional, and doesn't second-guess itself. Every trade is executed with split-second precision. But here's where it gets interesting. On paper, these strategies can look bulletproof. In fact, official performance reports claim win rates as high as 93% on certain backtests. That's what draws so many beginners in. It feels like a golden ticket. Yet the real world tells a more complicated story. Some traders post results of doubling their accounts in a few months, showing screenshots of green trade after green trade. Others reveal the opposite. Massive drawdowns, accounts blown up overnight when unexpected news hits the market. Why? Because Forex is the most volatile financial arena in the world, moving trillions of dollars every single day. Even the best AI can't predict a sudden central bank announcement or a geopolitical shock. Take the case of David from Toronto. He shared online how Forex Fury helped him grow a $1,000 account into $3,500 in just over 4 months. He was ecstatic, calling it the closest thing to passive income I've ever seen. But contrast that with Lena from Berlin, who admitted she lost half her balance after leaving the robot unsupervised during a volatile week. Same software, 2 completely different outcomes. So what does this tell us? That success with AI trading isn't guaranteed. It's about how you use it, how much you risk, and whether you treat it like a tool or a money-making fantasy. And this is just the beginning. In the next part, we'll uncover the psychological trap that makes these robots so appealing, and why so many traders keep falling for the promise of easy money, even when the risks are staring them in the face. The real power of AI trading robots isn't just in the code, it's in the psychology. Humans are emotional creatures. When we trade, fear and greed constantly get in the way. We panic when the chart turns red. We get overconfident when we win a few trades in a row. Advisors and gurus have sold courses for years on how to master your emotions. But the truth is, most people never do. That's where robots like Forex Fury seem like the perfect solution. No emotions, no second guessing, just cold, calculated execution. And that idea, the machine can do it better than me, is what hooks so many traders. Think about it. You finish a long day of work, and instead of spending hours studying candlesticks and economic news, you just let the AI do it. It feels safe. It feels easy. It feels like the shortcut you've always wanted. But here's the psychological trap. When trades go well, you start believing the robot is invincible. People in forums brag about sleep trading, showing profits made overnight. Some even quit their jobs too early, convinced they've found the golden key. Yet when things go wrong, and they will, the losses cut even deeper. Because instead of blaming your own bad decision, you realize you trusted a machine with your money. And that creates a dangerous cycle, chasing back losses, turning off the robot at the worst times, or even buying more expensive upgrades, hoping the next version will fix everything. Take Ethan from Sydney, for example. He admitted online that after 3 winning months, he doubled his account and thought he was unstoppable. By month 4, a sudden spike during a news announcement wiped out nearly all his profits. He said the worst part wasn't losing the money. It was losing the belief that the robot could save him from his own discipline. That's why so many traders get stuck. It's not just about the trades, it's about the dream of effortless wealth. And that dream is exactly what makes AI trading robots both irresistible and dangerous. In the next part, we'll break down the real numbers, the win rates, the drawdowns, and what the data really says about whether Forex Fury can deliver consistent profits, or if it's just another clever illusion in the world of Forex. When it comes to trading robots, stories can inspire or scare us, but the truth is always in the numbers. So what do the real results of Forex Fury actually show? On the official website and in promotional materials, Forex Fury often highlights backtests with win rates above 90%. At first glance, that sounds like a guaranteed money machine, but here's the reality. Backtests are based on past data. They show how the robot would have performed, not how it actually performs in live, unpredictable markets. Independent reviews and verified accounts tell a different story. For example, some traders on MyFXbook have posted live results showing consistent profits of 5 to 10% per month when using conservative risk settings. That's impressive, but far from the get-rich-quick fantasy. On the flip side, others have reported major drawdowns, losing 30%, 40%, even 50% of their accounts in a single bad week. One trader from South Africa shared that after 3 months of steady gains, a sudden shift in the EUR-USD pair caused his robot to trigger trade after trade against the trend. By the end of the week, half his account was gone. This isn't unique to Forex Fury, it's the reality of Forex itself. The market moves over $6 trillion per day, reacting to everything from interest rate announcements to unexpected political events. No algorithm, no matter how advanced, can predict black swan moments. What's interesting, though, is how traders interpret the numbers. Some see 5 to 10% monthly returns and call it revolutionary. Others see the same returns and say, not worth the risk. It all comes down to mindset and money management. The bottom line? Forex Fury can generate profits, but it's not a magic button. It's a tool. And like any tool, the outcome depends on how and by whom it's used. In the next part, we'll uncover the bigger picture, what AI trading really means for the future of money, and whether tools like Forex Fury are stepping stones to a new financial revolution, or just high-tech gambling wrapped in a shiny package. When you step back from the wins and losses, Forex Fury isn't just a product. It's part of a much bigger story. A story about how artificial intelligence is reshaping the way money moves around the world. Think about it. For decades, Forex trading was controlled by banks, hedge funds, and elite traders with access to advanced tools. Ordinary people were locked out, left to guess while the big players manipulated the game. But in 2025, that barrier is breaking. AI trading bots are giving power to individuals, letting a college student, a teacher, or even a retiree access strategies that once belonged only to billion-dollar firms. This shift is both exciting and terrifying. On one hand, it democratizes finance. Anyone, anywhere, can participate in markets that move trillions of dollars a day. A student in Manila or a freelancer in Lagos can run the same software as traders in New York or London. On the other hand, it raises dangerous questions. If everyone relies on algorithms, what happens when they all make the same mistake at the same time? What if AI bots amplify volatility instead of controlling it? And most importantly, are we creating a future where humans no longer control money, but money controls humans through machines? Some experts already believe the next financial crisis won't be caused by reckless bankers. It will be triggered by algorithms acting faster than regulators can react. And in a world where trades happen in milliseconds, that's not science fiction. That's a real possibility. So is Forex Fury the future? Or is it just the first chapter in a story where machines slowly replace human decision-making in finance? One thing is clear, AI trading isn't going away. It's only getting smarter, faster, and more dominant. The question you have to ask yourself is, are you ready to trust a robot with your financial future? Or will you choose to stay in control? For centuries, money has been controlled by the few. The bankers, the brokers, the gatekeepers of finance. But today, a quiet revolution is unfolding. Machines are trading faster than humans ever could. And for the first time in history, ordinary people have access to the same firepower once reserved for Wall Street. But here's the truth no one wants to admit. Robots like Forex Fury are not magic. They're tools. Tools that can either build your future or destroy it, depending on how you use them. John used it to pay off his student loans. Sarah used it to keep her rent covered. Mark? He lost nearly half his account in 1 week. The difference wasn't the robot. The difference was discipline, risk, and responsibility. And that's the untold story. Wealth has never come from shortcuts. It comes from knowledge, patience, and the courage to take control of your own future. AI can be part of that journey, but it can never replace your judgment. So the question isn't, can Forex Fury make you money? The real question is, are you ready to step into the future of finance with your eyes open? If you are, then hit that subscribe button, share this video, and join me. Because the future of money isn't waiting, and neither should you.